Today let's spend a little bit of time looking at a 401k deduction and the employer's matching contribution for payroll. What I'm going to do first is pull up the deduction, and I'll pull up an employee, and let's evaluate how it's set up. So here's where the employee is having a 401k amount withheld from their paycheck. So we choose which tax it's sheltered from, if it is indeed sheltered from any taxes, and which method they prefer. Now normally on a 401k amount, an employee is going to choose a percent of their gross wages or percent of their net wages, but they also have the option to choose a fixed amount if they indeed want that. In this particular case, we have it set up as a percent of gross wages, and you can see it's 3% of the gross wages. But we also have entered in a maximum calendar amount of $10,000, meaning once this employee has already saved $10,000 in their 401k plan, the 401k deductions will stop. We can also include which box on the W-2 it should go in and what the label should be. So when we print the W-2s at the end of the year, this information will be included. Now let's look at the benefit side. So under the cards, I'll also open up the benefit and open up the same employee. So we'll create another code, the 401k. We'll choose if it's subject to taxes, and we'll choose the percent. And this time I'm going to choose a percent of deduction. So it'll match the employee's deduction by 100%. So now whatever the employee is withholding, we will withhold the same way. You could also set up a calendar amount here as well. So if the employer calendar amount is only maximum is $89.94, you can enter that here. But if the employer matching contribution is also $10,000, you can enter that here. And once again, you can choose the W-2 label and the box it goes in as well. Then you can choose which of the matching deductions this is going to be a percent of. So since this is a percent of deduction, the deduction area will open up here, so I choose the 401k. Hope this helps.